Hello, this is Whitelock third grade worksheet lesson 12. So we're going to start off with write the amount. So as you can see, we see some like coins. All right, so number one, it shows a dime, a penny, quarter, nickel, and quarter. So as you know, uh, dimes were 10 cents. Let's write it like, so it's 1 cent, 25 cent, 5 cent, and then 25 cent again. So first let's add these together, which that equals 50 cents. Then we have 10 cents equals 60 cents. Get rid of that. And then get rid of the fire. Add 5 cents. So that equals 65 cents. And then add 1 pennies. Equals 66 cents. Or if you write it down as $0.66. So that's going to be the answer for number one. All right, number two. All right, let's work on number two. So we have a $1 bill right here. So one, and then this is the back of a dime. So this is 10 cents again. 1 cent, 10 cent, and 10 cent. So dollar, we're gonna add 10, 20, 30, 31. So that equal $1 and then 31 cents added. So that's gonna be our answer for number two. Number three. So we have $1 right here, $1 right here, 10 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents, 1 cent, and 5 cents. So 1 plus 1, $2 plus 20 cents, so that equals $2.20. Add 25, so that equals $2.45. Add 1, so it's $2.46. And then add 5, which is $2.51. So that's going to be answer for number three. All right, moving into the next worksheet. Fill in the table. Where so we're gonna have to we're gonna have to make this the value equal $4.75. So we already have four $1 bills, so that equals to $4. So how do we get to 75 cents? So we're gonna get quarters. So grab the quarters. So we test 25. If we add another quarter, then it'll be 50 cents. And then if we add another quarter, it'll be 75 cents, which is what we need. And how many cents or quarters did it take? It took 3 quarters. So number one would be 3 quarters. All right, number two. So we're trying to get the same value. So $4. We have that already. And then 2 quarters. So that's going to be $4.50, which is what we have. And then nickels, we have 1. So that equals 5. So $4.55. And then we don't have any pennies. So how many dimes do we have? We gotta make it, so we gotta add .10. So that's 1 quarter, $4.65. And then we add another 10, which is 2 quarters, which equals $4.75. So this is the desired amount. So it's gonna be 2 dimes. Do one more. All right, so we're also looking for dimes again, but this time there's no nickels. So $4. Okay, so that equals $4.04 equals $4.50. And then there's no nickels or pennies. So, or no, there's pennies instead, 5 pennies. So we're adding, so 2 to that 50, so that equals $4.55. So how many pennies we had to add? Just like in the previous problem, we had to add 2. So 2 is going to be the answer for number 3. All right, let's do like 2 of these problems. Use greater than, less than, or equal to compare the amounts of money. All right, number 1, $3, 2 quarters, and 1 nickels. So $3 plus 2 nickels each is 25 cents. So that's going to equal $3.50 plus 1 nickel. So that's going to equal $3.55. The other one is $2, 4 quarters, and 5 dimes. So this is going to equal $3. And 5 dimes is going to equal 50 cents. So what is greater? This is going to be greater than sign. All right, number two, $1, 4 quarters, and 5 cents. So this adds up to $2 because each one is 25 cents. Then we add 5 nickels. So each is 5 cents. So that equals another 25 cents. So $2.50. Okay, $1, $4. Same with this. This equals $2 and 2 dimes. So 10 plus 10 is 20 cents. So which is greater? This is also greater than sign. All right, moving on to word problems. Do 2 of these. All right, so Joseph bought a dog collar for $4.75 and a leash for $6.38. How much money did Joseph spend? We just add these together. So $1.75 plus $6.38. So 5, 8, 13, 3, 3, 6, and 10. So how much money did Joseph spend? He spent $10.63. All right, number two. Clark has 2 quarters and 1 nickel. Ben is an equivalent set using dimes and nickels. Ben has 8 coins. How many dimes and nickels does Ben have? So first, let's just determine how many coins Clark has in general. So 2 quarters. So 25 cents to 25. 25, that equals 0.50 plus nickel, so 0.05. That equals 0.55. So we're using dimes and nickels. Ben has an equivalent set, so okay, so if you want 5 coins, then 25. So we know that 5, I'm looking for 55. So I know that 25 is 5 quarters, so 5 nickels equal 25 cents. And then if we add plus 0.10 plus 0.10, so this equals 0.35. This equals 0.45. This equals 0.55, which is the number that we're looking for. And there's 3 dimes. So 5 nickels and 3 dimes. That equals 8 coins in total. So this is the combination if it equals 0. So yeah, that's the final answer.